Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Abhay Commerce Classes. Today we are back with part 2 of forms of business organizations. So before starting chapter, please subscribe my channel for new updates. So let's start. So the first topic comes in part 2 is types of company. So there is a basically three types of company. First one person company, second private company, third public company. So first one person company. According to Companies Act 2013, one person company means a company which has only one person as a member. Second, private company. It requires minimum 2 members and maximum limit of members is 200. It have it must have at least 2 directors. It must have minimum paid up to capital 1 lakh. Third, public company. A public company means a company which is not a private company according to Indians Company Act. And public company requires minimum of 7 members and there is a no limit of maximum members. It must have at least 3 directors. So next is choice of form of business organization. After studying the various forms of business organizations, it is observed that each form has certain merits as well as limitations. So, first is cost and ease in setting up the organization. Second, liability. Third, continuity. Fourth, management ability. Fifth, degree of control. Sixth, nature of business. So, next topic is formation of a company. Formation of a company is not a simple process like in case of sole proprietorship or partnership. It is a complex and lengthy process which involves a number of legal formalities and procedures. The formation of company involves the following stages. First, promotion, second, incorporation, third, subscriptions of capital, fourth, commencement of business. Next is promotion of a company. Promotion is the first stage in the formation of a company. It includes the step of like identification of a business opportunity, alliances of its prospects, and taking step to implement it for the formation of a company. The person who performs all the tasks during the promotion stage is known as promoter. So next is important documents required. The important documents required to be submitted to the registrar are memorandum of association, article of association, consent of proposed directors, agreement, statutory declaration. So next is incorporation of the company. First, filling of documents, second, payment of fees, third, certificate of incorporation. So the last topic is starting a business. At the time of starting a business, some of the key factors are as follow. First, selection of line of business. Second, size of the firm. Third, choice of form of ownership. Fourth, location of business enterprise. Fifth, tax planning, etc. So everyone, thanks for watching the whole video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Please subscribe all because we are very close to 1k subscribers. Please subscribe all.